halfway to. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stands, and Less. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fun host, Nkupi the entertainer. Wala wa diluje bo se diluje monate. Mina no hey, it evolved, hey? It was like of Golf 1. And then when I got to year 6, 16 valve, it was and then now I got to year 6, it was and then I got to Piri, the swap, engine swap, and it was it's been a journey. I just woke up. We want to drive these babies. How can we? Because there is no show. There is nothing. Mfane. Only puppy.
Bono, give it the
Woke him up. I woke it up. Pa! What are you soap? I hurt his feelings. Because and there's the actual distance. There's the actual distance. No, this is the actual distance. Yeah. This is when I put him far. And this is when I got him to be next to me. Khane mamthele plan no dianga college. Le plan no dianga college mam. You go spinner.
What again?
Emona, by name chigoli moki. Flat guy. Bigger more than Nubulia. They climbed on it and jumped. If it tells us a melaguli, one angel pala kuchela petrol. Error like a sarbona resoil. Flat street, Yama.
Yeah, it's an idiot.
Yeah. Well, Rigulinia. Oh. Ayo. On a flat, Enzo.
Bula go le orange better restart nya.
I like it. Aya. Monaga be phone gana mo chimun. e be ba re diretše melaba ba re re ka sefofe jwale re fofile go diegetseng ao mone ro re bolethabo mone re tisane no nna ke nyako ba tisane aowa lethabo e re ka ba le flopo moki
ka gore a rena flop
ee o tiisitse mone di tiile lotse ya koloi ge e so ntšha terminal then a e sa tswa
a ke re o kry-ele bo dipetrol apo koloi tse dingwe di tshwamona di gana le go tswa mo oneng gore o tsile khiri
e no ga o e bone no bonetek
ke ra bona re
flat ka Enzo hello thank you sure a ke busy ke ka phone so o to kwala ka mo video sha enge metseng radiator o na le scoop Enzo isha
okay please
ke sa ke butšwa gore o mokakanyana ka gore phela ke bona tseta ding tsenyane mona wa branch ya o still re di ready mo o di reveleni
re sa go di go di tenne
ke paletse go dia soja tšilela tšhaba ngwa wa one ya mo luletse flop ska rial ya raga tshwantse rage same time there's a loose connection somewhere. Chiwe o e gopoditše o ne e toucha ya gopola gore ke yona fela and o boletse a re flopa ka ne e toucha a wena fele o ka saya gopola botlhoko bola e tse gore method o ka sa bereka re o lokela fesco Mara sa ba diyan to taga famba.
Enzo.
Ah. Hello Enzo. How are you? One again. Ari, Enzo. The white chin chamudu. Iphulile.
Arabiya Milli.
Udah kayak ngomong.
Ke lebat la posteri. Cuma orang dress orang ini mungkin bilang. Apa dia so?
Aw wabe bo, chelet. Ile mu ga won chamara ya ba loro le bele ji fen. Mahalal.
Ah, ta Londri. Mo sai to jinga man emana yelege. Wait here.
Hey. Ya, jole ayo wait agan nit. Arum ngan.
Tangan.
Oh. Ibe kere ki jaga. Ke boy.
Oh, gee, sanguri idling yudi. Jarum sali hadi.
Afele yeki dedri.
Sugar lap.
O bala.
Yamala, happy. You get head. Wait there, no? So that you can get
Kimchi. Yeah. Negative is this one. Bien media. Ven.
Wait there, actually. Wait there.
Papa.
We gotta start it.
Basta, eat. Enzo, come, Enzo, come. When I'm on, hey,
Mara, kamu kalau beli kawan Enzo, dia ni saya dapat.
ya kamu lah, kalau kali kenya.
Macam lagi macam.
Menunjuk koleksi di titik.
Kita bersama ini. Kita bersama ini.
Enzo, it's that time, Enzo. Les grilles, les règles.
So, Nambile.
Muriele.
Abdi le malume. Wapis, good.
Alors, bah, eh ben, t'as dit que semaine.
Abdi le malume.
Ke ba le lentswe di le reta mo batjha.
Man. Afala wale na go nisina bona na balum. Ere tase ba bona wewe.
Today we anya good. Ita Enzo. Come Enzo. Nyoko valwe na maranya ko tamu. So guys, since I want to start editing the video while I'm still recording at the same time, I want to release the videos quicker. So I'm going to make one video into 2 videos. How is that going to be possible? I'm going to post the first part of the video, right? And then the second part will be on the other channel. So what you're going to do right now, I'm not going to close the show. You're just going to click the link in the description column. It will be the continuation of this video. Click the link in the description column. That's where the continuation of the video is going to be. Let's go to the other channel. Let's go. Click the link in the description column. The other part of the video is on the other channel. Let's go right now.